Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how I was able to customize my Chrome background. Of course, to bring something positive. Every now and then I change it depending on how I feel. Of course, the first thing that I did on Google Slides, so these are some of the few backgrounds that I've created. So I've changed it, of course, self-care is essential, and of course keeping it positive because we all need it during this time. So these are a few of the pages that I've done. Currently, this is the one that I have changed my wall to. So let's say I want to change my wall to this one. So all I have to do is just select the slide, go to File, download it as a PNG, as an image. Once you've downloaded the image, you could go to the download folder. It's right here. So let me copy it, and then I'm going to paste it on another folder, inside a folder that I have for Chrome background. Let's say here, and this is, let's rename it favorite quotes. Okay. Here I'm going back to the new tab. On the new tab on the bottom right, you will see an edit icon for you to customize the page. So here, this is where you can customize your page. So you could use one of the Chrome's wallpaper that's already existed, or you could upload it from your device. And you could also, one thing that I like about it, you could also change the color and the theme. So let's say if I want to change it to this one, or let's see. Okay, I'll use this one. And then go into the background, I'm going to upload the image that I downloaded from the Google Slide. So here's the image right here, favorite quotes, open it. So here it is. So this is basically how to change the background of your Chrome. If you have any question, don't hesitate to email me. Have fun changing your background. Keep it positive, leave a comment, and subscribe.